Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. If you've been here before, you might have seen my quite expensive small jewellery bags from my local charity shop. They charge £7.50 per bag, but they do seem to always sell out. I spotted some things through the bags that I thought would be interesting in these two for us to open up. So did I just waste £15, or are we going to find some treasures that I can restore or upcycle to resell in my eBay, Etsy and in my retail stores? Let's dive in and have a look. Now, in the last bag that I bought from this charity shop, we found the most gorgeous black onyx and sterling silver Native American ring, and so maybe we'll be lucky again. The reason why I picked up this one was for this gorgeous cuff that I could see through the bag. This is a costume piece. It's not silver, sadly, and turquoise. It's a lookalike, but it's pretty cool. Hopefully I'll get my money back, or nearly, on the bag from that one piece. We shall see. Then we've got a really pretty artisan glass bracelet. That just needs to go on a fresh string. Love this one, it's like a marble. That's pretty cool. We've got a big black costume ring. We're going to whatnot show. This looks like it could be interesting. That very much looks like silver. That looks like it's got plating loss though. Let's get the magnet out. We're not magnetic. I can see copper coming through on this clasp, so I don't think that's silver, but if you look at the colour difference to the bead looks like it could be. So that will need to be tested and potentially have its clasp replaced as well. And we've got these fun statement earrings. They look like artisan pieces. Gorgeous golden brass. Little faux stone ring. Wow, check this out. It's like a faux fire opal. That's pretty impressive. What is that clasp? Does anybody know? Can't even tell what it's supposed to be. Let me know if you know what that is in the comments. That's really cool. Well, this is a pretty hair slide with trees on it. Lovely. Well, it's a butterfly. Of course we were going to find a butterfly. Really pretty enamel work though. Do we have any branding? This one is by Linnerade. Sorry if I've said that wrong. This is the brand that makes the N2 range of quirky jewellery with enamels that I have a small collection of. So that's a really exciting find. It's a shame for me that it's a butterfly, so it probably won't go in my collection. In fact, there's two butterflies on it, but that will have a resale value. This is a French design, and they have a shop in Covent Garden here in London as well as elsewhere in the world. Really beautiful enamel work. That's a nice find. We've definitely had our £7.50 back from this bag. And then we've got some shell pieces. That will probably go in a mystery bag because I've got so much shell to work with. Let's see what's in the other one. A cute little cameo. It's an antique style, but it's got a safety clasp, so it won't be. I think it might actually be plastic. Yeah, you can see where it's been painted there. Nice little looky-likey though. This is gorgeous. I was going to say it looks like a Sphinx one, and it is. And it actually says Sphinx on it, as well as having the model number. Have we got all of our pieces? We have. That is a nice collectible vintage brooch. Gorgeous, that's a lovely find. Some more faux turquoise. And what have we got here? A little Fordite style earring. It's not though, I think it's a swirly. It's been swirled in paint, which is quite cool. This is a necklace. So maybe, no, they're not quite the right colour, are they? This looks more blue than turquoise. What have we here? Really, really pretty freshwater pearls in a silvery colour. And a sterling clasp. Wow, that's well worth £7.50. Just trying to read what's on the clasp there. It's probably a 925, but it looks a bit longer than that. So I will pop up on the screen if I've managed to find anything more about that one. A really heavy heart charm. Seahorse enamel earrings. I'll probably make those into bracelet charms. Y2K styly. That's probably from Claire's Accessories or somewhere like that. Just a sparkly necklace. Ah, this is one of those hair bands that goes around and grips your hair. I like those. I will sort that out, clean it up. One of my girls might like that one. This is a lovely glass bead, look at that. So pretty. And we have a pair. I don't much like these sparklies though, so I might upcycle those. It's the other one of those painted ones. A big old sparkly earring. And another one. This is pretty. It's a Damascene style. Nice earring with a faux pearl. Ah, this glass bracelet has a bead that matches those earrings. Oh, I just love glass. It's like sweeties. And a pretty stuck earring. We've got the other one of those. Oh, hold on, it's not quite the same. It's a mismatch. Oh, I love it. Oh, those are super cool. They're just cheapy ones, but I like them. Wow, look at this one. This has got gorgeous gemstones on it and freshwater pearl. And another pearl there. We've got some smoky quartz, some rose quartz. And a couple more pearls up there. This is very much in the style of Westwood Rocks, which was a shop that used to sell near me. Really pretty artisan gemstones. Is that a mark there? Yeah, that's a 925. Oh my goodness, these bags are brilliant. And that one less to say about. And another cluster pendant one with some nice beads. We've got jasper there and an agate. This has got a handmade ticket on it. I think I'll probably take that apart and use the pieces. And then a cat's eye style one. And one little tiny stud earring. Is it a mouse? Oh, that's cute. I think it was a plated one that's lost its plating, but I will check, because if it's silver I would definitely clean that up. It's super cute. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't believe it. We've got beautiful glass, we've got gemstones, we've got some sterling, we've got pearls, we've got sphinx. Goodness me, what was your favourite piece? Do tell me in the comments. And check out the channel. If you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button for me. Of course, hit the like as well. And check out the other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.